Some car models have enjoyed production runs that span several decades, so obviously they must be quite popular. There are very few cars that have managed to withstand the test of time. Over the years, we have seen the rise and fall of giants. Car manufacturers are working night and day to deliver the next big thing in the market. Despite there being many timeless cars whose production has been long since discontinued, these icons are still remembered. Some of these timeless cars are those that have been in production for close to 80 years. Here are 10 cars that have the longest production run. In the early 1970s, Japanese cars were making entry into the American car market. They offered an option of decent cars at affordable rates. Honda was one of the Japanese companies that tried its luck in the American market. In 1976, Honda introduced the Honda Accord CVCC to the American market. This was an attempt to bring people together using vehicles after the oil crisis in 1973. The Honda Accord was first introduced at a hatchback, and in 1979, Honda introduced a sedan variant. Since then, Honda has sold the Accord as a coupe, a wagon, and a crossover. BMW is one of the most popular German car manufacturers in the world. Beamers are popular for their luxury and performance. In the early 1970s, the concept of luxury sports sedans was non-existent. So, when BMW built the first 3 Series, it took the market by surprise. The first BMW 3 Series was a large car with a huge engine, but after strict emission rules were set, this beast had to be downsized. In 1982, BMW shipped the first branch of the 3 Series that features an inline 6 powertrain. The Volkswagen Golf gave rise to an entire car category, the hot hatch. The Volkswagen Golf was introduced to the American market in 1974 as the Mark I Golf, which was built to succeed the Beetle. Volkswagen rebranded the Golf and sold it in the United States as the Volkswagen Rabbit. This hot hatch featured a front-wheel drive drivetrain and a water-cooled inline-4 engine. The Volkswagen Golf has been sold throughout the world under different names, but the formula for making this German hot hatch has never changed. Mercedes is a German car company that is known for its high-end luxury cars, as well as being the current Formula One World Constructor Champions. In the early 1970s, Mercedes rolled out the first Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and since then it has evolved. Today, the S-Class is a refined German machine that is a combination of luxury, speed, class and power. With every new version of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class that is unveiled, the bar is set higher and higher. The latest S-Class is the current benchmark of cars in its class. The S-Class is sold in different guises, including a high-end Maybach or as an AMG trim. Nissan is one of the biggest Japanese car manufacturers in the world, with one of its most popular nameplate being the Nissan GT-R, or as it is popularly known, Godzilla. However, the car that put Nissan on the map was the Datsun Z line of sports cars. The Datsun holds the record of being the first Japanese sports car that became successful in America. This beauty was introduced to the American market in the early 1970s, when American car companies were trying to restructure to stay in line with the new safety regulations. The Nissan Z was the go-to car for anyone who was in the market for a sports car. Toyota is undoubtedly the most popular car company in the world. The Toyota Corolla nameplate is one of the company's best-selling models. Popular for its cheap prices, low maintenance costs, and accessibility to spare parts, the Corolla ticks all the boxes of the consumer in its market segment. Toyota unveiled the Corolla in 1968, and while it started off as a rear-wheel drive coupe, Toyota eventually changed it to front-wheel drive. The Toyota Corolla has been sold over the years as a hatchback and compact sedan. The Ford Mustang is the most popular Ford car in the world. It is also the least produced Ford nameplate. The Mustang is one of the pioneers of muscle cars, or pony cars as they are sometimes called. The Ford Mustang was unveiled at the New York World Fair in 1964. This American pony is among the few muscle cars that survived the new EPA regulations that were put in the place in the 1970s to regulate car emissions. These regulations resulted in the extinction of very many muscle cars. The Mustang introduced the world to high-performance car on a budget, one of the main reasons for its huge popularity. Porsche is a brand famous for high-performance cars. In 1963, the Porsche 911 made its debut. This car was built to replace the 356. The Porsche 911 is a two-door, two-seater sports car that features a flat-six rear engine. This German sport car has undergone its fair share of powertrain improvements over the years, but its concept still stays unchanged. From 1963 to 1997, the Porsche flat-six engine was strictly air-cooled. Chevrolet is possibly one of America's oldest car companies. The company was founded in 1917 and it is popular for its muscle cars, trucks, SUVs and sedans. The Chevrolet Corvette was unveiled in 1953. The Corvette, or as it is popularly referred to, the Wit, is a two-door, two-seater sports car that has been around for over 60 years. The first generation Corvette was the C1. Ford trucks, in particular the F-Series, are the most popular truck in America. The F-Series dates back to 1948 when the F1, F2 and F3 debuted. The F-Series features lightweight, full-size pickup trucks. From 1977 to 81, the Ford F-Series trucks were the best-selling vehicles in America. Over the years, the F-Series has evolved into a line of dominant beasts. While the recipe of a reliable, adaptable and versatile truck hasn't changed, the powertrain in every F-Series has. The powertrains first started off as flathead V8s, then came in the overhead valve 8. This evolution has led to all-electric F-150 slotted for 2021.